Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. You can also take screenshot by going to the upper bar, and here you have the button screenshot, and it works exactly the same way. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album here. Here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.